Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads. Going to talk about a couple of mastermind posts this week. The first one, and I'm going to get back to this in a second, but just to tease you a little bit, man, she got a phone call from a homeowner who received her print flyer for nearby neighbors, and she's going to list his house at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Come list me calls. Wow, very nice. I'll talk about that here in a minute, but I did want to talk about this agent, new agent. She borrowed a listing to hold open from another agent in her office. What should she do? She's going to do the print flyer for nearby homeowners, and looks like a Facebook ad as well. So, what I really love here, and I'll point out, do what Scott said. I generated 250 plus leads for my open house last weekend. All right, so let's take a look at that real quickly about do what Scott said. What Scott says is a combination of feedback from top agents, all right, looking at the stats in the system, seeing what works, and then providing that via our training. So what does Scott say to do based on all of that? At the top of the task list for any listing in your account, all right, at the top of the task list is a green Learn More button. If you click that, it'll actually open up what Scott says to do for every listing at every status. All right, so there's two things you can do. You can click the links to go through, all right, and do each one of these items. All right, Rome wasn't built in a day. You won't learn how to do this in a day. All right, so just do what you can and just get better each time you have a new listing or do a particular item. But there's also the playlist here. So for example, if you didn't know how to get that e-flyer to your database out because it generates such awesome buyer and listing leads, just select it in the playlist. And you can watch me do it. And this video will literally walk you through how to do it. Or, again, for the same thing, the e-flyer to your database, click there for the support post on it. All right, so you got a couple different ways of getting access to all that information. All right, but again, every listing in your account, so there's coming soon, just sold as a selling agent, right, whatever, click on the task list, right, open up the green Learn More button, and you can walk yourself through how to do that listings marketing and lead generation. All right, because every listing status generates buyer, seller, and referral leads. Now, let's talk back about the agent who got the come list me call. How awesome is that? All right. So, for more on that, just at our website, scroll down, and where it says how to generate high quality seller leads, here I put together a page with links to what I think are the best tools based on our client feedback and system statistics. All right. So, this is the print flyer for nearby homeowners, right? Been talked about now mentioned a couple of times. And if you click these links, they're going to take you to the support post about those. All right. So many ways to generate seller leads, right? A lot of this stuff can also generate buyer leads, but each one of these generates seller leads. All right. So you want to make sure that you are using all of those tools as much as possible. You will grow your business. Just do what Scott says, and you too can generate 250 leads in a weekend from your next open house coming soon, just listed, active, pending, or just sold listing. All right, so thanks for listening, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. If you need any help, just email support inside of your account. You'll see the support tab on the far right, and just let support know how they can help you, and we'll talk to you soon.